I'm making this video for a purpose, and at the end of this video I will tell you why I decided to make this video, because some men their home is too much. Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friend, is your girl. This is the first time you just didn't get post for YouTube, you just come across this our channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button, click on the notification bell so you will know anytime I post video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So this is our channel now, Tori. Now we dey talk, and now Pidgin English we dey talk our Tori for year. So to that Regina Daniels, we want to talk about Regina Daniels' husband named Nwoko. Regina Daniels, she just undergo surgery. She just do operation, and then I thank God say the operation was successful, because not be every time person go they talk about people or they talk bad thing about people. Sometimes we need to talk about good things. We need to talk about positive things about people, especially Regina. We don't really talk much about Regina for this our platform, Regina and our customers. So, and as good things still happen, or as she still go operation, everything was success, we still need to still rejoice and happy with her. Say everything not be success, say maybe God forbid bad thing, something happen, you can't say and say social media will catch fire. Hey, you go do operation, this and this, that and that, you'll see rumor everywhere. Hey, I know some people talk say no, but na fair talk say na this, na that, na don't they change math now. No. Especially me I know the change math. As matter be, that's so we they talk. You know me say maybe I do video about Regina, talk say what Regina do, you know good. Then something else can come up when we say the thing are positive to our own side, now good thing to our own side. I can't they condemn my against say because I don't feel condemn the one way fair happen. No, as the matter be, that's so we they talk. And so as this matter be so. Na so we sit shook our mouth. When Regina come make a short video, she come talk say she want go for operation, but the operation where she want go for, she not talk am, we not know what it be, but she made a short video say she dey go for operation, say her husband dey by her side.
Guys, I'm going for an operation, and that's my husband beside me. So see you when I return, and wish me luck. Bye. Baby, tell them bye. Bye.
I'll be waiting.
So after she go for the operation was successful, we thank God, and the co-wife come still visit her for hospital with flowers.
Okay, I got flowers and my beautiful balloon. Wow.
During that time when she want go do the operation, she come dey call on her fans, say make they pray for her. Even me, for example, my mind, when I see the video last week, I pray for her. Regina na my customer. I don't want me anything happen to Regina at all. I know say sometimes I they give her to her, but I love Regina from my heart. I know they too shook my mouth put for celebrating matter. I choose who I dey talk in matter, and anybody I choose to talk in matter, you know, now the person will be say I like. So I know they talk for everybody matter. And she too, she can't thank all her fans. She can't tell them say they do well, that she did okay now. But Regina, you can't tell us the operation when you go, the surgery, which one you go for, but we know. Actually, waiting make me they do this video now because of Regina's husband Ned Nwoko. When Regina want enter that theater room for the operation, after I don't tell the husband say hi to my fans, then Papa Yoyo come to say I will be right here waiting. The thing can't do me jiggy for ear, cause I be no here. Make I replay again, make I listen.
Tell them bye.
I'll be waiting.
He said I will be right here waiting. This Papa Yoyo now man I be now odogu. I tsuaga for Papa Yoyo, I tsuale for him. Because now man will be say if they feel handle woman. You know, some people they'll just marry women, they'll just they do the anyhow, they know they care. Money is not everything. I know so many people will say now because say you get the money to spend now, because now who get that love for inside heart? Now get that love, not because of the money. There are some big men will be say their wife won't even born for hospital, their own pikin will be say the woman wants to born for them. They not go follow a day for hospital. They go send people around they will send people say, okay, make this one a day with you, make them a day with you. They're ready to pay any amount, but they don't get chance to stay with their wife. They'll say business, the day office, the day here, the day there. If person to pursue money, it's not too good. But you see this Papa Yoyo, he just dey by his wife's side. This one are the joy where every woman they wish say anything won't happen, make the man the day by our side. Regina get mama. The man fit even tell Regina, say, hey, Regina, call your mama, may come stay with you for hospital. He go work. But he not do that one. He stay with her. If he say ask girl, say go stay with her. But he not do that one. He personal can stay with her. Not be say Regina na first wife. Not be say na only Regina be the wife when he get to. But because of say he get that love for all his wives, not be only Regina, because sometimes when I see they say with that Moroccan wife, the way see they do that one, me they even they think and say, this man, you just they share your love, you get one heart, you just share all the love for all of them. You not be say you just carry and give one person, you just share around. Because if you they play with Moroccan wife today, you'll say, hey, now this one you just like pass. Now this one be the amebo of the house, so you just like this one. If you just sit there with Regina, hey Jamie, you're confused. You're say, oh, this man can't like pass. Now, so man supposed to be. Man, when he ready to marry many wives, he go ready to share that love around. He go ready to share the love equally. My people, more understand me. I not say me they marry many wives, for more no can't change word for my mouth. I not say me they marry many wives. But I just they make example because there are some men only one wife, only one fool that they get. They not even they show that one wife love. So men they will be say they marry, they get wife, they get side chicken for outside. Their wife they not even they show and love. All the love what they get, they cannot give that side chicken. But you see Nedwoko, he not carry on you give one person. He share around because he no say now so it's supposed to be. So that he himself go last long. Because if you not share around, he not go last long. When they hear every time they say, if man want make quit die, go marry two wives. Men when they marry more than one wife, now they quit die. Now because of say kata, he might not the rest. Because he don't carry all his love, give one person. You see the way this man share around. That make me say, I too aga for her. I too wale for her. Now Odogu, now this Papa Yoyo be. Now make me they do this video. Because some women will be say not only that their husband gets all this kind of love, even they want go labor room self, they not go see their husband. Even they want go for operation or anything very important to their personal life, they not go see their husband. Their husband go tell them say, "No worry, the money just bring the bill, I will pay." But we are not talking about money here. We are talking about the feelings, you know. They not go there by their wife's side. But you see the way Papa Yoyo take handle everything. At least you go see no say. Before you talk say go marry many wives, he tell you power well. Papa Yoyo, we dey beg you, I beg. Not marry join Regina again. Make Regina be the last bus stop. Make our youth, our children, make them see wife marry. Oh, I beg. I know say you get kata for land matter with the family. Oh, Papa Yoyo, try make you settle that matter with your community. So my people, now the gossip story when I carry come here today, now be this one. So what do you think about Papa Yoyo, the way it say do to Regina? What do you think? So as a man, if you get one wife, you go show love. If you get one wife, how you go take treat your wife? You go show your wife love. Because we women, we need love. We know they too bother for money. Now that care. Because if anything they happen to our husband, we ready to cook, we ready to march, follow any which way. But we still want the same. For us, when something be say, it doesn't they do us. We want the same too. Because African culture, no they care about women like that. They believe say now women, they're supposed to do everything for man. Only man own na to bring money. Not be so it's supposed to be. Sometimes mostly they thief from all this European way of doing things. Because now both sides they need whether money or love. So I will stop this my matter for you. So what you not think? Please drop your opinion down there. Your opinion is very, very important. Those men will be say they know they like to show love to their wife. Try and watch this video so that you go know say sometimes we women We need love. Money not be everything. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video here. Mona no vex. So if I talk any word, when you vex una, mona throw away the word, mona take me enter house. That's why I be una sister, una friend, una pikin, una get anyone, una call me, I did there for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't watch this video without leaving a comment down there. Your comment is very, very important. We are not just here to talk. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life, that will change situation of things. If you share this video, you are going to save a lot of people today. You are going to save a lot of marriages today. Thank you so much for watching. Again, our partnership is still there on. You can partner with us. We are planning to help Africa people, to help poor people in Africa, not only in Nigeria, all Africa as a whole. But as our hand reach now, so will they do. So we're gonna partner with us so that we fit stretch our hand to help the poor people for Africa. A little help, a little support can change a lot of things in that our Africa. Una know say our government nothing to write home about. Now we go see the try more we fit see wetin we fit stay assisting one another. Anything you support now is going to go a long way for some family. Why they do this partnership be say this country when I come, so they really help me, they assist me when I come. So that make me say okay, we will still try to see how we fit assist people back home, because suffer dey for house. So thank you so much. God bless you. Those that have been supporting this channel in one way or the other, by sharing, by putting like, by commenting, calling on the live screen, just any way, super chat, any way you just say they assist this channel in one way or the other, God Almighty will send someone to assist you in anything that you do in your life, both you and your children, your generation, in the mighty name of Jesus. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on our next video. Ciao, ciao.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.